Are you using Threads but not making money? Well, you're missing out. Today, I'll show you how to make money on Threads in simple ways. Threads is growing fast, but did you know that you can actually earn money from it? Well, there's no built-in monetization yet. Here are 5 easy ways to start making money. First one here, if you have a good following, brands might pay you to promote their products. You can contact brands directly, just make sure that the product fits your audience. You can share affiliate links for products and earn a commission on sales. Simply sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale and start recommending products you love. You can also use Threads to send followers to your YouTube, blog, or online store where you make money. You can just go ahead and post useful content and encourage people to check out your links. Also, why not sell your own stuff, whether it's merch, courses, ebooks, or services? Threads can help you promote and sell directly to your audience. If you want a regular income, platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi let you charge for exclusive content. Share previews on Threads and invite people to subscribe. Now, before you start earning, here are some quick tips to grow your audience. First one is to post regularly with interesting content. Use hashtags and trends to reach more people. Engage with comments and DMs to build trust. And always stay authentic and consistent. Now you know how to make money on Threads. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on making money online. I'll see you in the next one.